Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm going to show you how to gold leaf some Easter eggs. Okay, so I was working on this gold leaf project on Instagram, and I thought I should just show you guys too. So this is very kind of off the cuff for me. The dogs are in the background. You might hear Kevin, he might come down the stairs. It's just gonna kind of be what it is today, so I can show you guys this too. But I thought this was so fun that I wanted to show you. So it's so simple. You're gonna need three brushes. You're gonna need one for putting gold leaf on. You're gonna need one for maybe going over the gold leaf if you want it to be on a little better, and then one for kind of brushing it off. So 3 brushes. You're going to need some gold leaf adhesive, and you're gonna need some Easter eggs. So I used our farm eggs because I love the colors of these. We get light blue, we get greens, we get varying shades of brown. I also painted some fake eggs, which I don't think I'm gonna do because I just don't love how the colors of these turned out. I love the colors of these. I think if I had gone and dyed Easter eggs with our natural egg dye on the website and in a YouTube video that I'll link for you guys in the description, I would have loved it with the gold leaf, but I'm not doing this first. It was just kind of a quick, simple, easy off the cuff thing that I was doing. I also have these fake eggs that I had bought that I'll maybe do too. But I'm gonna focus on our real eggs from our chickens. I hard boiled them, so you can hard boil your eggs, and then you can dye them with any kind of dye you want and gold leaf them to give them a little zing. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so to start, I'm gonna take my egg. I am going to take a piece of gold leaf, which is really delicate and never, there we go. I'm gonna take a piece of gold leaf, and I'm going to take my brush. Let's see, we're gonna use this one, and the glue. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the glue on the egg. And if you guys can see, the glue goes on kind of white. You wanna wait until the glue starts drying before you do anything with your gold leaf. So you can put this on in dots, you can put this on all around the egg and it'll gold leaf the entire egg almost for you. I want some of my color to show through on my eggs. So I'm gonna just sporadically kind of place this on here. And then I'm gonna wait just a few minutes for it to start to dry, and you'll know that it's drying because it'll go from white to translucent, so you won't really be able to see that much of it. And then the next part is so simple. We're almost all dry here. You're gonna take your leaf and you're going to wrap it around your egg. And then you're gonna wait. Go ahead and tap it down in some spots. You can see if it starts to get tacky and come off on your fingers like this, you want to keep, here it is, a wet napkin nearby just so you can wipe off your fingers so your fingers don't like that, or don't get like that. Okay, so now we're just gonna wait until this dries, which will be about 30 minutes, a half an hour, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple more here for you. So again, just kind of putting the glue on randomly. And then I will go ahead and wrap it in gold leaf. You can also get silver leaf. You can get a bronze leaf, which I have, but today I'm just gonna use this gold leaf. The dog is having a dream in the background. So again, that's kind of dry there. And we're gonna pop it in here and wrap the egg. Okay, so this is one that I did a little earlier today. And once it's dry, my hands are all tacky again. Once it's dry, you're gonna take your brush and you're just gonna start brushing some of the gold leaf off. I have noticed that the gold leaf doesn't seem to stick as well to my fake eggs as it does to my real eggs. So those might be the better route to go. You can see some places are very heavy-handed, some places don't have a lot of gold leaf at all. And if you want to change that, you can go ahead and add a little bit of glue back to some of these spots. And then see all this excess that I have down here? You can go ahead and roll your egg back in it and then let your egg dry again. So we'll see if we can get a little more color on this one. Come on, egg. Okay, so I did this one a little earlier. I'm gonna take my bigger dry brush, let's actually cap up the glue, and I'm gonna start brushing some of the gold leaf off. You guys can see how it's sticking really well in some places. It's not sticking very well in other places. Again, whoops, if you wanna take your glue and go back in over some of those places, you can do that too. And then if you want all that to stay on, what I'd recommend doing is taking your glue again. We're actually gonna switch out brushes here. And going back over some of these spots to kind of help seal the gold leaf onto your egg. If your egg looks kind of shaggy like this does down here, this is a good thing to do too, because it'll help just really kind of get everything sticking, and it'll give you a much more uniform look with your gold leaf. And again, the glue will dry clear, so if you kind of make a mess with it like I just did, no worries, it dries clear. You won't be able to see it later. And then you just want to put that somewhere to dry. And once all your eggs are dry and done, you can go ahead and decorate with them. I'm going to use my eggs for a tablescape, which I'll definitely have on the blog. I'm not sure if I'll get time to make a YouTube video for it, but maybe I will, and I'll show you guys. Thank you guys so much for following along today. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I hope you enjoyed the photos of it all done and completed and pretty looking. I think it's gonna be gorgeous in my tablescape, and I can't wait to work on that. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below, and go ahead and visit the blog at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com for all of the details. Also, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at the farmhouse. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.